Alright, so my Coyote is really starting to piss me off. Welcome back to Sow Grow. My name is Luke. Today we're going to talk about how my Kioti CK2610 broke down again for the third time. So this here is my wood yard behind the barn, and it's getting a little overgrown. So we're gonna clear through here, everything through here, whatever we can get back through here, and then we'll move on. So today's about 100 degrees out with maybe a 105 degree feels like temperature. So it is super nice having an air-conditioned cab, let me tell you. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps. Thanks. Nice having a compact tractor for all these super tight spaces. So I've been needing to brush hog for about a month now, and put my brush hog on the mower and flipped on the PTO. Nothing happened. So I checked all the fuses and everything for the PTO, and it was all fine there. And so my next option was to take it to the dealer. Alright, so my Coyote is really starting to piss me off. Before, the 3-point wouldn't work. Before that, the cab lighting didn't work. Now, the PTO will not engage. Nothing. Light comes on the dash. Nothing. So out here with all the flowers, it's my second year prairie. It's pretty good. Some weeds in it, but to be expected. The tree line clear because I'm going to use it as a fire break for when I burn the prairie. My Coyote dealer is about an hour south of here, so I had to load up the tractor and drive her all the way down there. And there it was for almost 2 weeks before I finally got it back. And it wasn't any of the fuses like I thought, and it just so happened it was the whole solenoid. love. I get this stupid mowing. Only weird people like mowing, guys. There's a lot of weird people out there that like mowing. There's also a lot of people out there that think mowing is native to the United States, and it definitely is not. So here's part of it, and I guess some wires broke inside of the harness, and so they replaced it. $75 part and $300 with labor and taxes. Unfortunately, my CK2610 is now out of warranty, so any damages or breakdowns in the future are all out of pocket. As of right now, and all of the problems I've had with my Kioti, I am unlikely to purchase one in the future. Maybe my Kioti is just now getting broken in and will be flawless from here on out. We'll see, but as of right now, I wouldn't buy another Kioti. Please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for my next video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Something's on my mind. Get better. No matter how hard I try.